Adobe Creative Cloud plugins and integrations.
Hello everyone, my name is Jaroslav Bereza, or just Jarda. I am freelance developer of plugins for Photoshop. Today I want to introduce you the mask checker plugin. A few months ago I was trying to check how good is the layer transparency to see if there is any shadow or glowing edges that should not exist. Usually you have to do steps like add solid fill layer, change its color, toggle its visibility, reorder in layer stack and remove it. It's not super big deal, but if you do that all the time, it can be a bit unpleasant. So I thought there must be a better way to do that. How about plugin that will change definition of transparency in Photoshop settings? And how about alternative way to hide all other layers? But this time different than built-in option. So let's see it in action. First, let's try the simplest example. Get rid of background in image. And now let's check the mask quality. Black background reveals some glowing edges, so I can do some manual adjustments. Now I am checking layer edges with different background colors, and once I am happy, I will revert original transparency pattern. And of course, it works also without the layer mask. Now something more interesting. Here we have artboards with 84 layers. Let's check some items. Simply select layers and click isolate. Now you see only selected layers. I am checking edges and I found out that onion transparency is not perfect. So maybe let's replace onion with something else. While I am in isolation mode, I can add new layers, remove them or change their visibilities and simply revert back and continue in work, unlike with default Photoshop functionality. That's it, simple plugin to remove friction from your workflow. Thank you for your attention.